Susie from Helix Baby here. Today I'm going to talk about the BundleBean. Now there's two types of BundleBean that I sell in my shop. This one, as you can see, it's slightly bigger. This one is the fleece lined one, so that's excellent for sort of winter time. The other one is the thin waterproof one, which is great for spring and summer showers. Okay, so that one folds up a little bit smaller. However, they both work in the same way. So I'm just going to show you with this one today. They both come in these lovely little pouches, these drawstring pouches, so really easy to carry around. What's great as well is that they are universal. They will fit pretty much any carrier and any size person. Okay, so if you want to get something waterproof for when you're baby wearing, then this is something that you can share even if you and your partner are completely different sizes. Okay, so it's more versatile than, for example, buying a waterproof baby wearing coat, which you would have to buy sized for you. So this is a bit more universal. It can work with newborns. You can start using it from when your baby is newborn, with a stretchy wrap, for example, right through until they're toddlers, 4 years old, they say. You can still use them. And they even work with those really big framed rucksack carriers as well. So really, really versatile. Okay, so this is how to use one. So it comes with a hood, and it comes with, first of all, this is already poppered up. Can you see? Poppered here and here. So that's on the smaller setting, okay? And it sort of creates a little pouch. My baby is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to unpop those so that it's a little bit longer, and literally just unpop and unpop. And there's a little bit of red Velcro at the bottom that I can just stick together, and that makes the sort of little pouch at the bottom. Okay, can you see that? It just sticks together to make that little pouch. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these elasticated Velcro strips, and that's what you use to put it on. So to start with, I will show you the belt and braces. So you want to, first of all, get the top two, and you want to stick those together. Okay, it will take a little bit of practice to know exactly where to stick them together to fit you and baby properly. It'll just take a couple of practices. Okay, that one goes over your head. Okay, fit it to where you need it, around the back of baby's neck. Tuck baby in both sides so it fits nicely, and then you want those other two straps, those other two elasticated straps here and here, and that then goes around the back of your waist, and you do that up using those Velcros. Okay, so you've got that round your neck. I could probably have that a little bit tighter, but that goes round your neck and round your waist there. Okay, and you can have the hood up or hood down. So that's called the belt and braces. You can also do it rucksack style. So, and that's what you would need if you were using it on your back as well. So you'd put it over you, over baby, and then you'd use it rucksack style. So you'd set that up first. So you want to put the two Velcros on the same side together. Okay, stick those together. Oops, I got that twisted. Here we go. So that one that side. And then the same on the other side as well. They're so sticky, these things. There we go. So you've got rucksack style straps, and that literally just goes on as simple as that. So if you've got a sudden downpour and it's already set up like that, it will go on really quick. And you just need to make sure you, again, tuck baby in. Okay, nice and snug. Again, you want that to come up to baby's neck, and then you've got the hood to come over as well. Okay, so that's the rucksack version. You can cross them at the back as well. I find that's very difficult to do on your own, so you probably need somebody to help you do that. That would be a case of making sure they're all undone, getting it in place, and crossing this one over to stick with the bottom one of here. So you either get somebody to do it for you, or you do it up beforehand, because these are very, very stretchy. So you could do it up beforehand. So I'm crossing that one, and I'm crossing this one. Let's see if I can get it on like this. So I would put my arm in through that one, okay, and through that one, and then I put my head through the top, like so. Bring it down over me and baby. Okay, so that is crossed over my back, like so. And then of course remember to tuck baby in. That's a nice fit actually. That's a nice snug fit having them crossed. So if you find that you can do that, it does fit quite nicely doing that. And then the last way of wearing it, if I just take this off, is attaching it actually to the carrier itself. So you would need a buckle, some sort of buckle carrier really. You wouldn't be able to attach it to a stretchy wrap. It just wouldn't be firm enough to be able to do that. So make sure they're all undone again, and this time put it in place. And this time I'm literally going to take that strap, go round 1, 2, and then Velcro it into place. Okay. All right, and I'm going to do the same the other side. Here it is. Go round 1, 2, and Velcro it into place. Okay, so once that's nice and snug there, you then tuck baby in. Remember to tuck baby in, and then get those final other 2 straps, 1, 2, and they go round the back and secure round the back of you. Okay, and then you've got baby nice and snug again in your BundleBean. Now this hood I should say, is removable, so you don't have to take it with you. If it's just cold and you know it's not going to rain, you could just have baby in it like this and just wear a different hat, okay? But it also is really good that it comes off, because you can use it on a pushchair as well. So the pouch at the bottom goes over the foot of the pushchair, and then you use the straps to attach it to the pushchair, either all the way round or a bit like this around the sides of the pushchair. You can also use it for a car seat as well. I must mention this little pouch. Super and amazing to keep your hands warm in the cold weather. So you can use it for a car seat as well. In the same way, the pouch at the bottom will go over the bottom of the car seat. You might need to roll it down, and then you attach it round the back of the car seat as well. So it's very versatile. So the BundleBeans, that's the thin rain cover version and the nice fleecy version, available in my shop. Thank you, bye.